Playa de Granadilla. Well, this is supposed to be Playa de Tejita, because that's also what it says when entering this parking. And then there should be a nudist section all the way on the left there, in the direction of Montaña Roja. So let's walk in that direction and see if we can get to the nudist section. So far, beautiful big beach, pretty wide. So far, after visiting all the beaches on the south, starting at Montaña Amarilla, Colmenares, Amareta, then this seems to be the most proper beach. It's also a beautiful sand beach, and I think here we also have the biggest chance to run into a bigger colony of nudists all the way at the end there. So let's check it out. See you when I'm there. Well, we didn't have to walk far to spot the first nudists, and they're found here in these little structures. These made out of lava rock. That guy was standing just now like a proper meerkat. I think there's a couple, nudist couple in that last one. There's another nude guy here. So yeah, nudism from this point onwards already here at the Red Cross. So but let's continue a bit further just to see whether this is mostly nude beach or that most of the nudists are found all the way at the end. Alrighty, parked my car over there, ran into the first nudist already after 100-200 meters. Then it turned into like 50-50 textile nudists, then a bit more textiles. Here again more nudists, and then just beyond these rocks there is the 100% nude beach. Well, pretty much 100%. So you're looking for a little bit more privacy, and this is the spot. Nice little beach. It's quite beautiful, easy to get in and out of the water. And of course that one, beautiful beach, as beaches should be, just beautiful, sandy. There are some beds for hire. I think there's also maybe even a little shop where you can buy something to drink, or maybe not. Maybe I'm just hallucinating. Okay, next beach should be on the other side of this Montaña Roja, which is then Playa Montaña Roja, and then Playa Medano at La Medano, which is a town. I'm not sure whether we're gonna find nudists there because it's in town, but let's see. And then further now northeast from there is Playa Montaña de Pelada, which should be a really beautiful beach as well. One of the top 5 nude beaches of Tenerife. Okay, let's go to the other side of Montaña Roja and find nude beach Montaña Roja.